Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to share Scali scale reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of the website. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are kitchen scales, professional scales, body scales, thermometers, timers and luggage scales. That too on very affordable prices. Now let's proceed to check the payment related information. So customers can pay through only PayPal. Friends, let's check the shipping information now. So in our endeavor to find the shipping time and shipping charges, we found that shipping information is not directly stated on the official website. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So friends, Scali scale is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 15th October 2000. Thus, the website have much traffic as it is into existence from past 20 years. Now, let's take a look at About Us section to know more about this website. So here we can see that Scali offers a full line of kitchen scales, body scales as well as kitchen thermometers and timers. Featured in both national and international press, Scali's distinguished product development and technical team combines years of experience and commitment to develop new innovative products. Now, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official website, we can see that company's address, its contact number is accessible, and when we try to find out the authenticity of the company's address, we found that the given address is absolutely correct. Addition to this, friends, the links of social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram land us on the official page of Scali, which is a positive sign. Now, let's have a look on return policies. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 30 days and they offer 2 years professional guarantee depending upon the model of the product. Addition to this, full refund will be initiated in the original mode of payment. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the Scali scale reviews, guys, so we found mixed customer reviews over the internet. And addition to this, friends, we can see that some of the images of the product are unique while few images of the product matches with many other websites. And apart from this, content over the website seems to be copied because it matches with few other websites. So on the basis of these points, we would state that from the outset this website seems to be legit, but copied content and duplicate product images made us to suspect the authenticity of the website. So we would advise all our viewers to check all the details before buying anything from this website. Friends, however, if you have ever bought anything from this website, do share your Scali scale reviews with us in the comment section below, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you, guys. Stay safe, stay informed.